Hi guys, welcome back again guys. Come here now.
Go to car.
We're going to practice driving again guys. Tara na. Biradara.
What?
Oh.
What did you say?
Let's go now.
I want to open the windows. Please put the car on.
Okay. Open the window.
Well then hurry up.
Go now, RJ.
Behind the door.
Turn off the audio. Copyright. Now, RJ. There.
What do you throw back there?
His gloves.
Second.
Dirty now the window. I clean up and make dirty again. The rain.
Well, the roads are still full of salt and sand, so the car's gonna, even if you go to a car wash, it'll be dirty the next day.
Yeah. It's cold. I'm cold, honey.
Let's have a t-shirt on.
No, Jay.
Did you see Carson down there?
No,
He never come out no more, huh?
Maybe
I didn't go all the way down to his house.
Get now, RJ.
It's only 8. It's not that
Your
far.
dick loose. Seat belt.
I get my stuff.
The seat belt, RJ.
You can start the car, warm it up.
Yeah.
Ah!
Good now, RJ. Seat belt.
Good.
Yeah.
Make a left. Which way's left?
There. Where's the left?
Every time I say, I want you to repeat left. Okay. You have to get it in your
left,
head.
left.
What show are we going to?
Okay, close door.
Where are we going?
Left. It's super cold. Go to straight, honey.
I
Straight
said
to there.
Make a left.
Yeah, left, then
Hands
straight.
so wet.
Straight,
My
yeah.
head's
Yeah.
so wet. It just feels cold.
Garage doors are shut, right?
Nine. Nine, not lock.
Now
You
we're
can
going the
look. You
opposite
can't
way.
not look. You're in charge.
Not lock. Okay.
Where's
He's
Syracuse?
going to take that car down. He's putting it in. I don't know.
Oh, a car. It's brand new.
It's classic.
Oh,
He's
classic.
going to work on the car dealer.
Why are they taking it?
What that?
They're delivering it somewhere. It's on, so it's either trying to go in or it's trying to
Look
go
like
out.
Mercedes-Benz. Oh,
There's no one in
The
the truck that's
classic.
driving it. Kia.
Drive on the right side there with the guy for that. People have been on waiting list for over a year. I wonder if they're gonna put, no, they're not gonna put a fence up. They're gonna put a wall up down there. All the way to the freeway.
the speed.
So tonight at 9 o'clock, rain starts. We're doing RJ's homework. And
I better get my umbrella.
I have to get the umbrella for later, yeah. But by 10, 11 o'clock, it'll be snowing. It'll snow all night and all morning on Sunday. But a lot of it might melt. It's going to be a wet snow. Somebody complained. Go a little faster, just a tad. That's it. light, turn left.
Okay.
Wait for it to turn green. I don't know if it's gonna, you can't make a left on red. You know that, right?
I know that.
Okay. I can't see. Can you go? Soon they'll be open.
There is the corn.
What did I sell in the winter? You know?
Nothing.
You can't really plant them, man. Because you could have a surprise freeze. Plant it, if you plant in April. Never go over speed limit. Since you're a beginner, go under. It's 40, go 35, 38. You know what I'm saying? Just a little bit under the speed limit. Never go over. Since you're a beginner. Oh, they did start it.
Where we go?
Go around the circle. Okay. Don't know what to do here. No change. Oh, there's the beginning of the bridge. To the right.
What are they gonna do with these pillar things?
Probably take them out. Or they'll use it for the bridge.
Probably.
You've been here, it's 40.
Okay, turn in the subdivision. We'll circle around and come out. Make a right. They got no one in their backyard, just a freeway.
You're not happy that this freeway noise.
Yeah, well, they're using different kind of cement. But
Yeah, but still noisy.
for sale.
For sale.
Make a left. He's doing all rock. They're getting away from grass.
Yeah.
Zero
but
skate,
still
they call it. Oh, you want to drive around down here more?
Okay, where we go now?
Then make a right if you want to drive. They're selling new homes. They've got the
Yep.
it's got a big gate. See it? Yep, there it is.
Billion now that they're
Multi-millionaires. Right where that truck came out?
Yeah.
Make it right there. This is where we have to practice driving out here in the wilderness. Nobody out here.
Oh, there, what's
Coming
that?
in fall 21.
Honey, what's that there?
Broken down truck. You gotta go. You got cars behind you. They're gonna build homes out there now.
Yep.
They're behind schedule. Okay, you're coming up to a circle. So go in when you have the right of way. Circle, then go straight. This is rush hour. Slow down. Okay, go. In the circle, you got the right of way. Circle around and then go straight. You got the circles down, huh? U-turns and circles, you know. More houses, but we went in there once, remember?
Yep. It's construction slowly.
I wonder what they sell these for.
Construction 35 even. Construction.
You can go 35.
Go to the middle.
Don't never go to the middle. Unless you're going to a turn lane or something. Stay on the right side of the road. So another circle. Okay, want to go back the same way? So we'll go in the circle and circle all the way around and come back.
Where do we go turn? Here?
Okay. Go back this way. I thought it was a circle. Here's the park we went to and took hundreds of pictures. Remember?
Yep. I like that there. We will stop there, Hannah.
No, I don't want to stop. There's a new subdivision there, look.
Cannot look right.
Now you can look.
Yeah.
I wish they would put the prices on now.
Later here, have no car.
We can move in there. You want to move in there? Coming back to the post.
Yep.
There's the clubhouse having a wedding.
Yep. That we've been there. That
They
lake.
had the band. Remember?
Yeah. Just look at the lake and the
ducks
duck.
will probably hide underneath the barrier.
You go home now?
Canada.
I go
You got
to
credit
Canada.
cards? Put everything on credit cards and just not show up for school for a week or two.
I hope they're in Washington. We can go to Canada. Where we go? Left?
Straight.
Yeah.
Here's the highway. They've done almost nothing there.
Yep.
I don't know if there's going to be a bridge. It's going to have to be. These people have to cross over to that subdivision. This is definitely a traffic circle. See the yellow sign?
Yep.
The arrows? Circle? See it?
Yep.
Okay, so do that.
Circle.
See, now watch out. Yield. You have to go up there. Say they turn suddenly. Okay, go. circle. Let me go that way.
40 again. 40 the speed.
Just go 38, okay?
Yeah. Oh, a follower. He wants to pass.
He wants you to go. You could go 45, but that's dangerous for you. Oh, speed limit's 40.
Yep.
So the max you can go is 45. You go 46, the cops can pull you over. They give you a 5 mile an hour leeway. Behind the road.
Yep.
Slow down. Okay, good.
Traffic light. Pass the traffic light.
Right up here. See those barrels? Make it right. Up there a little bit. You're stopping too soon. Okay, now. Hope a cop comes and gets him. Go straight around to the dirt. Okay, cut your speed to like 30. To work area. Let's go on this side.
Road.
Right here.
Let's go look at the house.
We're all done.
Look at the house, RJ. Cul-de-sac. You go there?
Yep. Only place you can go. There's a shed on the other side of that wall there. It's
Let's
backyard's
look at
pretty
that
big.
house.
But there are 3 of them.
Yeah. Look at that
You
house.
don't remember?
See that?
You're not allowed to walk on the cement.
Look at that.
No, you can walk on the cement.
Like,
It's hard.
There's workers still here.
They're not looking at that
Look at
house.
the view they got of the mountain here. Better than our view. The further away you go, you see more. You know? Make a right.
I like to practice like this. I'm no car in the road. So that easy.
Now park in front of the road. Up there. Put your blinker on and park. Let's go to the barrels. See the road. There it is. Stop. Look at the bridge they built.
Yep.
See it down there? Coming up. Pull up a little more. There she is. It's a mess right now.
Here's the big
It's not opening until
highway.
winter of 23.
Yep.
So a year and a half before it opens.
I thought it would be
24 might be.
winter of 25.
I'm just telling you what the plan is.
Okay, we go now.
The year we land on the moon, 24, this should be done.
Oh, here?
No, next left.
Oh, next.
Stay on your
Let's
side.
look at a house.
Cannot look at
Okay, slow down.
Let's look at that wooden house right there.
Blinker left.
There's
See the
someone
big street
looking
sign?
at it. I can't look at it.
that. Have a dog or two.
Well, these houses went up fast.
Look at this house.
Look at that white house. We should look at that one. Oh, we can't look at that one.
Look at the big backyards they got.
Hey, why don't we not look at the house?
This area, ne?
Look at that white
Oh,
house.
this
Let's
say.
look at the white house.
You want
So-
white
I
house?
want to look at that house.
What
Or
that is.
that house.
Alright, then park will go in the mud.
It's not
Okay,
mud.
go here. Go
Mud
here.
dries in one day.
Shelf and nails. Got a flat tire. Stop.
Since we parked here, we can
Okay.
look at two houses.
Okay, guys. Wow, 30 minutes. Okay, guys, that's it for today, guys. Our practice, guys. So, I hope see you next time, guys. Bye-bye for now.